Connected. I don't know, my stream just crashed. Let me just quickly flash this. Boop. Alright, cool. My screen literally just crashed. No idea. Just like randomly crashed. I didn't even realize it crashed. I didn't get like a notification or anything. But I think we're good now. Yeah, my screen just crashed. Yeah, I don't even know what to tell you. It just closed on itself. But we're back. I think everything was good now. My internet didn't go down or anything, so I actually have no idea. Hopefully it's good now. Hopefully people know. So we're still looking at this sell side. You want to talk with us? Nah, we're here, bro. We're here. So let's see if yes can take this low. It looks like it will. Yeah. No S&P. So yeah, we could be wrong. Really thoughts of going towards Tuesday high, becoming a 4-hour inverse on BPR. That's what I was looking for too. But I already took a long up here. I was up and got stopped out like $50. Do I think do it take to go higher? I do. I'm still bullish, but I don't know how much lower we can go before I think that we're not bullish. Like if we come all the way down to the 4-hour, man, I don't know if we're still bullish. Like I would have expected to continue. Come all the way down here. 42 points now. It's not that far. But like an expansion to lump, like the timing is off for me. Timing's a little off. Where's 9:30? It's right here. Let's see 50% of the opening range. That's right here. So 19,496. 496. Keep going lower. There's no real trade for me here. Besides the 50% is hourly wick, which yeah, did you send it on Discord? Like I wouldn't be bullish if we came all the way down here. We'd be disrespecting all these. Like at that point, that's just a short. Like for us to come all the way from here to the 4-hour, 200 points lower, that's just a short. And to get a reversal at that time, it's a little bit off. Send me the photo on Discord, brother. Hopefully everyone knows that I restarted stream. Can't trade any of this. We got a nice move. Where did price like reject off of there? I'm just confused. This order block? Really? $45-minute fair value gap? I guess. You guys had an hourly? We have an hourly, but Was there another hourly on ES? Yeah, I guess. I still feel like we go higher. It's not clean. It's not clean. I mean, yo, it could just be consolidating too, right? Like it could just be the fact that we're not making a move today, a big move, right? In which case we would just be range bound. I can't send a message in Insta to you. I want to ask you something. I think you have to follow me, bro. And is that why? Let me take some medicine. Um, we might just be sitting on the day, $50. I mean, I wouldn't mind taking a long from the 4 hour. It would have to perform really nicely though. Yeah, I got you, bro. Um, you won that short, nice, bro. Thank you, brother. Hey, the two daily bush. Where you gone, bro? My screen just crashed. So whoever sent me the two fair value gaps, you would expect that's Thursday's low, Thursday's high. If it was me, I would expect us to move higher. Yeah, the stream just crashed, bro. I don't know why. Just randomly crashed. My internet didn't go down. The stream literally just closed randomly. Yeah, what's your question, brother? Yeah, so I saw your picture. What you would expect. So this is euro, right? I mean, still looks like Tuesday low week. Was it you or us texting earlier about the Tuesday? Tuesday high up week. Or actually Monday. It's classic expansion. I'd expect some move higher now from euro. TGIF. The recent bearish move. What asset? Nasdaq. 7:45 a.m. in cold. Oh, that's your okay. I got you. I got you. There's not much happening in Nasdaq right now. We have to wait a bit, anyways. 7:45. That bearish fair value gap. I mean, it just looks like we were running. We were just running the buy side. Why didn't it respect this 15-minute fair value gap? Well, good question, brother. It just didn't. So what happened here? 7:45. Like in this case, you were just wrong about when it was. Like literally what happened to me, pretty much just now. We were just wrong about where it was gonna go. Oh, do you have an SMT? SMT here. Give me a sec, brother, because I need to watch this. Whoa. So I'm guessing you took a short right here. Why didn't it respect this? Well, for starters, we didn't even have any buy side raid. This is a 15-minute fair value gap. Just stretching breaker block mean threshold. That's one way to look at it. I need to see if this forms here. An inversion fair value gap with a chain of state delivery. If we form a 1-minute bullish fair value gap, I wouldn't mind taking a long towards these highs. Will the shorter block can form here? I want to make sure I'm not longing into slow resistance liquidity. Yeah, it's nice. This might be our second trade. 10:30. This 10 a.m. candle can still flip. I believe. I'd have to see a strong push here, though. Yeah, if we don't get it, it's all fake. Yeah, I got you, brother. Just give me a second. Passing to the order block, but it's not. We didn't get the chance to delivery. It's still bearish. Everything is still bearish. I like the S&P. No bullish for value gap. Yeah, nothing here for me. Nothing here for me either. The 2-minute forming. We have to inverse this entire 2-minute. Hold above the opening range high. Take opening range 25% right there. Yeah, actually. Between 25 and 75. I think it's still gonna go lower, but we get a strong push above. Yeah, this 10 a.m. candle could flip off of the SMT. I mean, we're pretty ranging, right? So I wouldn't mind simply taking a long towards these equal highs, these relative equal highs, just because we're ranging. I don't know if we're gonna come all the way up here or all the way down there. I mean, this is not far, but in ranging, so got the lows. It's a weak breaker though. If there was a fair value gap, I would have taken it. But it just looks like we're retracing. It just looks like we're retracing. There hasn't been a change to the delivery yet. I don't qualify that. It's too weak. It just looks like we're retracing for one more leg lower. Take out the full sell side. Get an SMT there. Maybe. Yo, Gruv, let me ask you something, brother. I'm gonna make this simple for you. So if you lose a trade and your trade plays out, right? If you lose a trade and your trade plays out, there's a couple things you did wrong. One, stop loss placement. In this case, it's probably not your stop loss placement. Two, your timing is off, right? Price wasn't gonna go lower at the time. Your timing was off. There was no time supporting your trade, right? Time's first. The algorithm is gonna go low. If it's gonna go lower, it's gonna go lower at the time it's meant to go lower. So your timing was off. Three, if you were still right about the trade, if you were 10K in 2 months, I don't know about that. I mean, that would be amazing. I'm gonna be live every day. You know, I might have to get a Lamborghini before people start paying attention to me, but we'll see. That was a good trade. We were up 250 ticks. I think, there's a time to start looking for like high probability times to hold a trade. But like for example, as ICT was saying, if you're in a long and you take out a high, like I could have closed this right there. I mean, I got stopped out on the 1-minute candle. I could have closed. I mean, no, It was one large candle. I don't really think I could have managed that trade any better. Yeah, I think that was as good as it gets. Stop loss was at the 2 minute OB, and I guess I could have closed on this. Close. It's like it was so refined night. It's a good trade. I would take it again. I would take that trade again. We moved up really nice. I was in very little drawdown. Look at that wick. Beautiful. Okay, let's see if we get the inversion here on the 2 minute. Pulsion block. Mm-hmm. Might not be so cute. 2 minute inversion. I'd probably just wait for a 1 minute fair value gap to enter. I would have to take something off at these highs though. We inverted, but the volume imbalance is there. Pulsion block, chain of save, delivery. Now we have that. Yeah, I think we went up for those relatively highs. Those lower at lower distance. Liquidity. Let's see if we can get an order on this fair value gap. This will probably be the last trade. And I'll probably just close there, guys. Like I'll push one there and then trail stop for the last. I don't know if we're gonna get a large move. I do think this 10 a.m. candle can flip. I mean, I like this. 21 short. That's good. Oh no. $7,225. I think that's the right fill. Yeah. Stop loss would be like literally right here, probably. 55150. How many points is that? 20 points. Yeah. What kind of market is this? The ranging market, brother. It's the ranging market. All right, guys. We just got filled. Let's see if this plays out. It's 1 minute bullish fair value gap. We got the chain of state delivery. Let's see if we can come and take out these highs. 10 a.m. candle flips bullish. That's what we're looking for. I would want to see this lower part remain unfilled, and then we get this forms an order block. All close targets pre-market. Yeah, maybe. Let's see. It's pretty low risk. 520s, 20 point stop, 40 micros, 80. So survivable. Good risk management from me today. Yeah, I like my stop loss there. If we get a closure above this, I'm going to trail my stop a little closer. So far, it's not a bad reaction. 19627. We flip this hourly fair value gap is the question. I mean, can we flip this hourly candle? Really, it shouldn't trade back in here. Otherwise, we're in a bad trade. We're in a bad trade then. There is a 3 minute fair value gap. Yeah, so we'll give it some space to work with. I'm gonna remove those lines. I'll still be going live. Yeah, I'll have to work in the PM. All my shifts would be like 6 to 8 or something. It'd be like 6 to 8. I want to see a closure above this down close candle. Use this as a potential order block. And I want to see us trade above 10 a.m. right? So 10 a.m. candle still is bearish. This is 10 a.m. open. I want to see it move higher. Doesn't look good so far, guys. I don't think I entered a good trade. Would have wanted to see it react right away. I mean, it's got to really push through. 50-minute chart. Breaker, yes. All the way there. Yeah, that's where I rejected off last time. It's like a 45-minute fair value gap. It was like you can scan through. There's definitely some premium arrays there. It's a nice push. I'm looking at these highs. Oh, bullish breaker? 50-minute time frame? Oh, this one. Yeah. I think about the last rejection. Yeah, it's holding. I think we're in a good trade. If we get a clean closure, guys, I'm gonna put my stop loss at this OB low 3-minute breakaway formed here. Looks like it's gonna be a breakaway, relative equal highs, 2-minute fair value gap. I mean, really, if our stop loss should just be here. We have a good stop loss, and I'm just gonna leave it. It will hit TP. TP1, TP2 over here. We form a bullish fair value gap here. That's a really good sign. So officially, we're trading a 10 a.m. bullish candle here. So it's, yeah, more manipulation than I expected, but this plays out. Looks pretty good so far. We got the order block here. You in it with me? Honestly, bro, I love how Sergio trades. I'm just gonna say that. I love how Sergio trades. So that's a nice thing to hear. We're gonna close one at those highs. And you know what? I'm not dealing with this shit anymore. I'm gonna put it just what level is this high at? I'd be surprised if we don't take out these highs, honestly. 628. We're gonna put it at 626.75. I like the way Sergio trades. Yo, if you guys don't know, Sergio, he posts on TikTok, Instagram. I don't know if he does, but he just posts on Instagram a lot. He takes really nice trades, bro. Takes really nice trades. I like how he trades. We're gonna have an SMT at the highs. But again, the idea of this trade is the 10 a.m. candle is gonna flip bullish, close near the high. So you'd expect this high to get taken at least, right? So we're gonna go with that. I wouldn't want to see us come back down here, to be honest. So we're gonna trail our stop. We're gonna trail our stop. We formed another bullish fair value gap. I wouldn't want to see a full retracement at this time. There shouldn't be a deep retracement at this time. So our stop loss are at those lows. If we get swept out and it goes, it is what it is. We're forming another 3 minutes. 2 minute as well. 1 minute left of it. Yeah, really nice. Small win. Yeah, we take those, bro. Yeah. We take those. I don't want to aim for 2. I'm definitely going to take a partial here. I mean, there's relative equal highs. I feel like once we get through this in fair value gap right here, we'll be golden. This would be the reclaimed. If you guys remember, so this old fair value gap right here, remember I said a long time ago, I want to see this become reclaimed Bissy. That's what would confirm. That's the same one right here, right? Reclaim bullish. Reclaim. Say FEG plus. There's a 1 minute fair value gap here. So yeah, like we could even put our stop loss like here. I wouldn't want to see this inverse. $19,568. That's our stop loss. $19,568. So we got it to get low risk. I wouldn't want to see this inverse. If it does, we're probably wrong. Yeah. Doesn't look good. Still in, but I think we might get stopped there for like $12. Yeah, we're out, guys. Again, no TP. Don't think this candle's gonna flip too choppy. Yeah. We never got through that fair value gap. Why? It's tough, I know. I feel like we're in really good trades, you know? We managed to risk well. Good thing we chilled to stop there because we would have got fucking destroyed. Yeah. I don't know, man. It's just too choppy. I think they're just not setting this higher. Why did it flip? Reason? I can't tell you, bro. I honestly can't tell you. It's just choppy, right? So this price action is not going anywhere. It's not directional. I think we managed the risk really well there. We only lost like $10 on that trade, so it's good that we broke even. Pretty much. So only down 70 on the day. I think we take away with grain of we take that last Friday. Playing in TJF levels. But the weekly candle, is it really? Yeah. I don't think it has the directional. It doesn't have the directional move. It's not gonna be directional, I don't think. So let's journal this trade. This was trade number 2. Yeah, it was a nice trade. That was the same as the other one. It was a good trade. In hindsight, Harry could have partialed here, but like I guess kind of made the same mistake twice, right? Like expecting a large expansion. Hindsight could have taken that's a premium array, right? Premium array. So in hindsight, gold issue. So you took this trade on gold. I'm assuming it's this one. You say, why does this bearish fair value gap now hold? It's because your context is probably wrong. So we did have a little higher up move than you would have expected. Let me look at the 4-hour quickly. I mean, this 4-hour candle is completely consolidated. We did take out the high. Honestly, it just looks like you got manipulated out, brother. If I'm being honest with you. Wait, this is from... Well, like, yo, this is what, 8 a.m.? 8 a.m.? Why trade 8 a.m.? Like, what is that timing? We have relative equal highs here. The market took down some sell side. Like, it doesn't make sense. Your timing's off for a move. 8 a.m. That's not. Is that anything? Is that like there was news? What time is news? About 10 minutes. Getting wiped off 2 minutes. Yeah, literally same thing happened here, bro. Tanya shorted. Damn, from where? Oh, this fair value gap. I think it's a mistake to expect like a one-sided expansion. I think that's where we went wrong today, guys. So we're gonna journal this entry. 8:30 news. Yeah. So why you trade before 8:30? You gotta trade after the news because the market before is either gonna engineer liquidity or chop. Creating a lot of sell sides. Yeah. It's just no one can convince me that this is gonna be a large move. We're literally pretty much trading in the opening range, 50%, right? This is literally the opening range right here. We've just been moving. This is opening range form, premium to discount, back to premium, back to discount. I would expect back to premium. I wouldn't expect any large movement today. You're taking trades, 2 losses, but they were pretty small. So 2 losses minus 70 only. Can you tell me where you placed entry if you were trading it? Well, if there was 8:30 news, I would have waited for after 8:30. So where's 8:30? That's 8:30. Now you look at the time frame. We did trade into that order block. You could look for a breakdown of shorts here. That's an OTE entry. 15-minute fair value gap respected, reinversed. Yeah, I mean, if there's 8:30 news, yeah, the hourly fair value gap's really nice there. So 8:30 news comes. What did we do? We went into the hourly fair value gap, right? 8:30 news comes, we displaced aggressively. How do you look to enter a trade like this? Well, you can use OTE. You're gonna have to look for a premium entry on a trade like this anyways. So you use this wick as an imbalance or this order block. This fair value gap is not a nip discount, so you can't use this. Choppy day? Yeah, it is a choppy day. They give you another OTE entry right here. What the fuck is going on? We're back up. Yeah, it's just choppy. That's it. Everyone's getting chopped up. That's how it is. You know, you're gonna go in your journal. You're gonna post the economic calendar. You're gonna post the date, and you're gonna say, "Today was choppy as fuck, and I got chopped up." We took good trades, but we got chopped up. You know, that's why I broke even pretty early on both. It wasn't break even; it was a little loss, but it was we got chopped up. You know, it is what it is. It is what it is. It is what it is. So I lost like $20 on that trade, I believe. Um, so the original trade I took, my stop loss was it was like right here. So the original risk was 50. How much did I actually lose on that trade? Do you guys remember where I chilled my stop? What's the executions? 572, 567. So how many points is that? Yeah, man, it's just a bad day. That's it. It's choppy. It's just gonna keep going. It's just, I guess there's just not gonna be much movement today. I mean, we've already expanded in Asia. I guess you can use that as an identifier. We had what sucks is we had a nice opening range gap, right? So I thought we'd get nice moves from that, but yeah, it's just very choppy. It is what it is, you know. It's all good. It happens, bro. I think we took really good trades there, right? We immediately saw reactions from our entries. If you know, the only thing in hindsight is you got to maybe anticipate the choppiness and you got to take your TPs where they count, right? That's one TP potentially there, one TP on the equity. Since I guess all those TPs how much the day price higher than 10 a.m. Possible, but you can. If that's you, go for it, brother. Done 2% on my new funded. That's okay, bro. I'm done today as well too. Not much is happening. I don't want to take any more trades today. I'm only down. What am I down? Actually, I don't even know. We're down 70. So I'm happy to walk away. I can walk away knowing I'm down 70, right? That's me. If I was down like 100, 200, right? I'm already in drawdown. So being that's why I'm saying that's a lot for me. I'm already in drawdown. I'm not happy walking away with that. So I'm happy to walk away knowing minus 70. Oh, how did that happen? My volume went down. Anyway, I was saying um like in hindsight, you got to study that this is going to be choppy. You'd have to you just have to anticipate this to be choppy. Like the only thing I could have done differently really is partial at these highs, right? Partial at that high. That's a premium array, right? So would you like to take any entry today? I already took two trades lost. We're only minus 70. I'm happy to walk away. 300 to reach maximum loss limit. You can do it, bro. I pushed the counts back from there too. Pre-SMT inversion take entry 1 to 2. Yeah, like for example, in a day like this, you just go for your 2 to 1. How many times did we hit 2 to 1? Let's see. How many times did we hit 2 to 1? Right, our stop loss was. I don't think this one hit 2 to 1. Yeah, we didn't even hit 2 to 1. Good management. Yeah, we managed to reduce the risk. For two losses, only 70 is not bad, right? But in hindsight, like this trade, yeah, it wasn't even 2R on this trade, so like it depends where you put. Like our stop loss was like at this low breaker low, so in hindsight, yeah. Yeah, you got to risk a quarter. I missed short trying to set up my TradeAvate account. That sucks. I tried taking longs. I mean, I was up a nice 200 ticks, 100 ticks here. Stopped out around break even. Both trades. Maybe looking for long while coming through for our bullish. Possible, but I wouldn't expect there to be much. I wouldn't expect there to be much movement. I mean, look at this. Here, let me show you guys. Let me just screenshot this so I can put it in my journal, and I'll show you guys. Look at that. Just one candle. I was also looking for longs. Let me just screenshot this. So look at the 5-minute, look at the 50-minute chart, guys. This is what we're trading right now. This is what we're trading. Why don't you take the MPG at 1625? Which one's that? If it's a bearish, then 50 minutes crazy. Yeah, there's no trades here, guys. There's no trades here. I don't care what you're trying to frame. You can't tell me you look at this chart and be like, we're going here. It's not happening. We do have the relative equal lows. We have the resistance highs. We have these beautiful equal highs, but price is choppy as fuck. Designed this way. Look at the 5-minute. What the fuck is going on here, guys? You just gotta understand these are bad conditions. You gotta understand you can scalp it in and out, but you gotta keep your tight. You gotta keep your stop losses tight. You gotta take your partials quick. That's not how I like to trade. That's not how I like to trade. But you know, some people like taking like 1R trades, right? You could have taken like 5 1R. Like some people love this shit, right? You just take every inversion and fair value gap that forms, boom, 1R. Every single one would have gave you 1R. Inversion, bullish, 1R. Inversion, bearish, 1R. Inversion, bullish, 1R. Inversion, bearish, 1R. Every that goes like what, like 6 trades? I don't like taking 1R trades. You almost took a long again. 1025 inversion. I did take this long. I didn't enter here. I entered here. So look, I'll tell you why I waited, because the 2-minute time frame. We were still trading inside the 2-minute fair value gap. I didn't know if it was gonna inverse. So I was waiting. We inversed the 2-minute on this candle right here. 1034. Right, 1034, 1035. Bullish fair value gap entered right there. Took the long right there. He almost entered non-long, 952.72. I mean, let's see what happens after we take these lows. I'm gonna stay live and see. Like, I'm curious. Do we get expansion in lunch? Macro deliver at the bullish FEG. You took it at what time? You guys tell me the time. 195272? Because there's so much shit at 19. Like this for value gap, like extended. Oh, yeah, 19.5. Oh yeah, that's the entry I took. Yeah, that's the long that I took. Okay, we just took out the sell side, so I wonder what happens here. We took out all these lows into a 50-minute. Damn, the same I just done. Yeah, so we could have just been wrong, you know. Pretty range bound, but yeah, midpoint. Yeah, I took one more trade, lost only like 15 on that one, so it was just we ended up breaking even pretty much. So 2 losses. 2 losses for only minus 70 is not bad. A lot of sell side, yeah, Asia lows and everything is over here. Daily candle, my daily candle might even flip. If it was me, I would just send this back up now though. If it was me, personally. Can you explain to me your analysis? Yes, I can do that. Let me just journal it. How about that? Does that work? So this was trade 2. Yeah, yeah, that's fine, bro. You can get a buy model here, sure. There's an hourly for value gap. See if you respect it. We took out the sell side. 1050 macro. It's possible. There's a lot of lows here, though. It looks like it's spooling towards them. Or just the free run? Yeah. If we made to rebalance opening gap first, we just have to wait and see. Yes. If I had to say what I think, I don't know if we'll get a reversal. Does Sergio go live? I don't know. Did you have your breakfast? I had a banana and a Rice Krispie. Does that count? I'm gonna eat breakfast after this. It's not much to frame a trade around here. Not much to frame a trade. Yes. Like we had a clean inversion of the 30 minutes, hourly, like just clean. Why would we go lower? Just simply following the displacement. Like if I just think the fact that we displaced through all of this, it's probably just gonna come out and take these lows. It's dinner for you? That's funny. I would just expect it to come out and take these lows. I mean, maybe from these lows that were rated in London session, it's possible. But like you now at this point, you're just gonna pick every single low, wait for a wick, and 1 minute. Like, that's not good. That's not good in my opinion. Like for me, the context is not much there. There's an S&T kind of changes things, but it's starting to look like this 4 hour candle is gonna be bearish. There's a 4 hour fair value gap we just tapped in, so I guess if you start to respect the 4 hour, possible. It's possible actually. Yeah, from the 4 hour, I forgot about that. Just expecting it to keep ranging. You would expect range high now. You'd have to see this inverse. Timing's off now. It's lunch. If this was bad, I'd expect lunch to be even worse. I remember Ohm. Of course, I remember Ohm. Is that you? First trade we took was second trade. What did we use to frame our second trade? I forget. Was it the hourly? Was it hourly rebalance or something? What am I looking at here? I'm trying to remember. What did I see when I took that trade? It was the hourly rebalance, or was it the sell side we took? Let's retrade it this way. Right? It was this SMT. Yeah, it was this SMT. 1025. What did I see at this time? Just wick and sell side raid. Discount wick, sell side raid, 15-minute rejection block. Sorry, 5-minute rejection block. 15-minute time frame. Much. I guess we kind of framed along there off of not much. You guys have been friends your whole life? That's amazing, man. You guys can be amazing traders together. You guys gotta keep working, bro. I love seeing people put in work. I hate seeing when people quit. I don't like it when people quit. You guys gotta put in work. That we were using. Oh, I close. We were expecting that, but we were wrong. We had everything on that trade. I put off the FEG. Observations. Very choppy day. Nice moves. Um, Pick your trade. I got you, bro. Give me 1 second to finish this sentence. We're in the last day of the month. Or both. Did I have red folder news? Oh, shit, which trade did I take? I gotta delete some of this stuff. It was this one. No, it was not that one. We filled RTH and NDOG. We tapped into NDOG. Yeah, I wouldn't expect any more than that. Where's my thing, bro? Did I not take a? Oh, it's here. I named it T1. Oh, it's this. I mean, we did expand lower. Look at the chart real quick. Look at the left trades. 1 minute fair value gap. NWAC old T, old NWAC old. You like the NWAC king, bro. Always NWAC, huh? I'm curious to see what happens here. I got those equal lows. Yeah. You know what? It was a really nice delivery of shorts, and we could have just been wrong. Or PM reverses. Very nice. I wouldn't say it's a nice delivery of shorts. Like you would have entered here at 10 a.m. I don't know at what level woman if young keep both inverse. Maybe. After taking the sell side, it's possibly. We have imbalanced and dog. Yeah, it's a good draw on liquidity, but like it's just hard. Like why is this the top? It's hard to pick that top in my opinion. At least for me. Like this one looks better. Was S&P at those highs? Yeah, it was S&P at those highs, right? 10-3. Like yes. Represented 50 minutes per value gap. Yes, they're going to that premium per value gap. Yeah, I mean I saw this, but I don't know, just the way it was like behaving at that level. I mean look at that, bro. Okay. It topped there, 10 a.m. I mean, I guess if you were bearish, you'd expect 10 a.m. open high, low close, and that's pretty much exactly what we did. We didn't even take the 10 a.m. high ever. I guess that's hard for me to frame a trade. 2 losses today, minus $70, so really good risk management. Usually 2 losses would be like 150 or more. Yeah, intraday we only went up. Like intraday we were very deep in premium. That is true. That is true. We had these sell side raids. Like the 930 was nice. 930 break lower, move higher. Hard day for me. 930 was nice. 930 was nice in my opinion. Went lower, boom, break down, take out the equal lows. 15-minute sell side. Expansion through opening range high. Formed a fair value gap. We took that fair value gap. Entered. Rallied up. Yeah, too small for the move. I'm gonna shorting here now. Now that I personally would not do. But I guess if you're bearish, you'd expect low of day. I don't know if we're gonna go that low. That's a hard one for me. But let's see. Maybe she knows something I don't. You know, possible. I doesn't look like that's a pretty deep discount short. It created a 15-minute fair value gap. Here, create a 50-minute fair value gap and then retrace into it, or am I just fucking expand aggressively higher? Yeah, it's unbalanced. You go up there. Regardless, it's not for me. Stop previous 5-minute candle. This one? 1055 still bullish? Hard to say. I wouldn't. Yeah, honestly, yeah, I am. We made it through August, guys. Stops all the way up here? Where the fuck is your TP, bro? It must be not really good risk to reward. I mean, it's a good stop loss, don't get me wrong. Like, that's where you would have to put your stop loss. You get like an OTE of this range. But that's a deep discount entry. That's not a good entry, in my opinion. That's a really bad entry. Your stop loss is the first premium array. That's the risk to reward is like. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Oh, she going for it. 337. Well, I hope it works out for her, man. I wish I didn't take a loss so I could be long in the inversion. I know the discipline kicks in, huh? I feel you. I wouldn't long it either way, to be honest, because it's not my time. But I know those ones, bro. Sometimes you already lost, and you're like, my rules say no more. But you always see the setup, and you're like, you want to take it. That's why you got to be patient. I definitely know those one friend blew the account. You blew or I blew? Who blew? I didn't blow an account. Yeah, like if you're gonna enter on this, I would at least wait for a premium array. But like, it very well could just come here and your stop loss is there. Good no trades for me today. Good seeing other people. Yeah, man. I like seeing other people's perspective too. See what they're thinking. See what people are saying. Sometimes you learn something you didn't know. Well, you just gotta make sure you're looking at someone who kind of knows. Like, always stay true to yourself. Well, it's like we're forming it down close. Might be an SPT right there. I'm gonna finish my journal. So for me, I think just you know expecting a lot of expansion on the last day, I guess, and being in a deep premium is kind of what happened. We did expand lower into Asia and into NDOG and Asia lows later on. Um, my psychology was pretty good today. Like was good. I didn't really have any emotions. Pretty emotionless, I'd say. Pretty emotionless. We did good today in terms of that. So that's good. We did good. It didn't look that clear for me at the moment either. I don't even have a partial to partial now that I think about it, so I can't say that we reduced well. We reduced the risk really well. Reduced stop loss well. But how much did I lose on that trade, right? I think it was 20. Like we really lost 20. Let me put up the executions and see. So how many points is this? 7-2 to 6-5. So 5 points. So we literally lost $20 on the second trade. So it's really good loss there. And good thing we did because it would have absolutely destroyed us. And on the first trade we lost. Well, if we lost 20 on that one. See you Tuesday, Wednesday, everybody gonna hop off into today. Appreciate you coming, bro. Take care, my brother. Take care, my brother. See if the short plays out. We're watching. Make sure you guys journal, yo. This is how you improve. You got to look back at your journal. Everyone, I want everyone to journal. If you took a trade today, you better freaking journal. Our entry was 955. 55. We got stopped out at 05. The market's closed on Monday, but what am I gonna do, bro? Oh my god, I have to actually do something. Hi, backtest stream it is. Did you find A+ setup today? I think so. Like this first setup was really good. I like the second one too. They gave really nice reactions. I just kind of got chopped up, to be honest. It's open until 1 p.m. Oh, was it early close? Yeah, I'm honestly happy with the trades I took. I'm honestly happy with the trades I took. Labor Day, yes. Yeah, I think you're right. I think it is early close. That's what it is. But it's probably going to be a shit day. I'll tell you that much. You might as well just sit off. I'll go. I'll be live. I'll tape read. Probably won't trade. No news, and it's Labor Day. Come on, NFP week. Yeah, reversal. New York reversal. Yeah, you're right. You're right. I guess there was just too much liquidity down there. It wanted to be grabbed, and I was thinking we continue expanding, which is kind of risky, I guess. I got focused on these highs too much, maybe. But the weekly profile Thursday reversal was nice. So I wouldn't be surprised if PM reverses this. This is gonna retrace into a 50-minute bearish fair value gap here. $50-minute bearish fair value gap. See how that plays. It is NFP week, so I guess I mean it could be good. They set up some volatility for Monday and then run it on the other days. We lost 40 on the or 50 on the first trade, but we also reduced our risk. MNQ we took. All day and NFP week, yeah, and no news Monday. That's probably gonna be one of the worst combos, worst combinations ever. So the first trade I took, I see we got the breaker. Low high, low high, high. It's a breaker, really nice breaker there. So we got a breaker, change of state of delivery, SMT, inversion, org high. The high time frame PUA was 50 minutes sell side, and org high. Like all those levels were kind of converging. It was a good trade, right? We had 932 to swing and macro delivery. Have to go. See you, brother. We're just gonna watch this, see how this plays. I think it's gonna go higher into this 50-minute fair value gap here. What was the original risk of my first trade? Right, my stop loss was like here, so it was 34.70. That was my little more, yeah, 70. This trade, the S&T was here, right? Targeting. Yeah, 50-minute city, it's right here. I would expect it to go there. This is the first trade we took, right? I'm gonna quickly put this in my journal, guys, so I'm gonna added one here. So we took an entry here, and we added one right here. We were targeting. Yeah, so those two. 30 SMT. Yeah, let's just put this in the journal. That's good. That is good. PP 3 out of 3. Nice, bro. That's really good, man. That's really good. I'm glad you guys are winning. Yeah, it could possibly go up back into this 50-minute city from this wick. Sure, so good. Yeah, where did you short from? Did you short here? Future strategy? I mean, I kind of do on my YouTube and my lives. Pretty much trade. Check Discord. Where did you send it in Discord, brother? Yeah, send it on Discord. Like we're damn, yeah, we might not even tap in. Like looks like we're just going right through in a form of breakaway gap. General chat. All right, let's see this. You got 4 hour. You shorted there. 30-minute inversion. Was that nice? That's a good confirmation to wait for, brother. I'm glad that you framed it off the 30-minute inversion. That's really good. Push on the hourly. Nice, bro. That's a really good trade. That's a really good trade. Ten a.m. formed the high of the New York session, huh? That's kind of crazy. That is kind of crazy. So we'll definitely go back and journal all of this. Kind of weird how this. What's the timing on this? 10:45. Yeah, I guess the macro delivered pretty nicely, huh? 10:50. What happened exactly at 10:50? Boom. Started going lower all the way to 11. Tracement 11:10. Lower. Still don't know where the John liquidity is. I mean, it looks like we're coming for those lows, those equal lows. You're right. It is not that clear anymore. Now that we're in a deep discount, I would expect it to go back up, but we could take out the low of day, which is like right here. That's the current daily low, right? Right here. Where is that? So these equal lows are the low of day. I mean, today could close bearish. I did not expect it to. This is the daily range. Honestly, I would expect it to go higher, but it's possible. We take out these lows, come below midnight opening. We tapped into midnight opening, so on daily time frame, I have a video on that. I have a video that goes top down, daily into like how to get bias, how to align that with an actual trade. Like I break down every section, and I show some examples of the trades I took that I broke down. I think it's a pretty good trade. It's a pretty good video. It's like today. So what I need to do, the main thing I need to do for my journal is go back and put the end of day charts for today. I can't forget to do that. So you know what? Let's just do it now. So I'm gonna get lazy. I'm not gonna fill it out later. SMT at the lows. Is there an SMT there? Where do you trade? My room. I want to. I have a video on SMT too, but that's my first video. Everything I use in my model, I'm making a video about. Which is your broker? Um, For futures, I trade with prop firms. So I'm using Top Step. I go with Top Step. Everything in my model, I'm posting on my YouTube channel. Even the journaling I posted. You're just gonna see my journal right here. But this isn't the full journal because we had to restart halfway. So like all our wins that were on from earlier, because I went on a win streak, then I went on a lose streak. Do you have a video for standard deviation? That's my next video. Are top step payouts reliable? Yes. Top step is probably the best. Not probably. It is 100% the best and most reliable. No, top step is the most reliable. It's been around the longest. I got on 3 payouts with them. They're really helpful. They respond to your emails. They give you resets when there's stuff that's going bad. They're really good prop firm in my opinion. What time did I take that second trade? It was 10:37 to 10:44. Always journal the times of your trades. Okay, everything is journaled. The only thing I have to do is the end of day charts. I'm here. Do you show your strategy explaining? Yeah, I mean, I go live every day. I try to use my strategy live every day. I explain why I take the trades. Pretty much what I'm doing. Showing my entire journey here. Every trade I take live. I never trade on my accounts with no one when I'm not live. But I go live every day. Are you ready for the NFP week? Yeah. Are you studying ICT? Yeah, of course. I posted notes of ICT 2024, and I'm gonna watch the most recent 2 lectures and start updating those notes. Covering psychology. Psychology is everything, man. You need to the number one thing, I'll tell you what messed me up the most. The number one thing is you try to chase the money. Like you're trading to make money. That's not the best thing you can do. That's just gonna make you lose more. I know it doesn't seem like it, and a lot of people like they underestimate it, but it's true. These people high, they're probably gonna get taken. If I was scalping, I would take this. How's August going so far? Well, we're pretty much. This is the sad part. We're break even on the month. So we had a big win streak to start with, and then a big lose streak, and now we're like kind of win loss. So it wasn't bad, but the thing is, the drawdown trails, right? So I only have 1,000 drawdown left, even though my account balance is like zero. Like it's just bad, like break even, like $50 or something. So even though we're break even on the win percentage P&L, we only have 1,000 drawdown left because we were plus 1,000 on the accounts at one point, right? Because we run a win streak. So we're trying to come out of drawdown now. So we're risking like 2 micros-ish per trade. But a lot of improvement, I would say. A lot of improvement in my trading, which is my main goal, right? We were in deep drawdown. Any calls are not working, way big volatility. They work, but you have to be, like, right? Forex is a lot more manipulated. There's a lot of spread. There's a lot of wicks. Damn it. It's more manipulated. What are things beginners should cover psychology? You need to focus. This is the number one thing. I'm gonna tell you, and you can listen to me or not, but I'm telling you, 90% of people will never be successful until they can accept the fact that when you are trading, do not let your it's not about the money when you're trading and you're brand new, unless you're already profitable and you're consistent. It's about improving every single day. That's all it is. You improve every single day, and you will win. You will make your money. You need to focus on that. Some people they lose and they're like, oh, today was a loss. No, it isn't. It's not about the money. Money doesn't matter. It doesn't matter if you lost your trade. It doesn't matter if you won your trade. You didn't win. You didn't lose. You win when you improve your trading and you followed your rules. That's a win. You followed your rules. That's a win. You won. You should be able to walk away happy. That's when you're going to become profitable. When you followed your rules and lose and you walk away happy because you followed your rules, congratulations. You're gonna be profitable. That's what it takes. And that's the hardest thing to do in my opinion. Technical analysis is not that hard. Brother, you not just hear everything I said? I'm gonna repeat it one more time. You cannot be focusing on making money. You need to focus on improving your trading, improving your system, following your rules. Once you can sit there, once you can sit there and be like, I lost today, but I'm glad that I followed my rules and I'm happy. That's what it takes to be a good trader. That's what it takes. The moment you start thinking I lost, I'm down money, but as soon as you start thinking about profits, you're gonna lose because you're thinking about the money. You're clouded. You'll never be able to see it from another point of view, but you're just clouded the whole time. Just like always clouded. Every judgment, everything you do, right? And for example, journaling. Like, bro, you guys want to be profitable traders, but you're not journaling every single trade, everything you see, everything you observe. Don't you want to improve? People say, well, why did I lose this trade? I bet you've lost that trade before, and if you journaled and took the time to figure out like why you're losing trades or something, you would probably improve, right? That's how I did it. That's how I avoid a lot of losses now. I still lose, but I avoided. Like, there's a lot of losses that I simply avoid just because I know, like in the past, I would take those type of trades and understand why they're wrong, why the narrative is wrong, why the down liquidity is incorrect. Looks like we're not even going to come to the 50-minute fair value gap. We traded to the OB opening price, even though it's a premium, so technically it's not an order block. Or like for example, people will miss a move, and they'll be like, oh, "I missed that move. I could have done this. I could." Okay, it's not about that though. It's not about that. Yo, this guy has to be trolling me, right? I feel like I answered your question 3 times, brother. People will miss a move and they'll be like sad, but like, why? You study. You managed to learn something for free. Don't chase it. You missed it, right? Study. What happened? It will be tapped in, formed a smaller chain of state delivery. Boom. There's your lows. What is this PA? It's hard to read in my opinion too, but it looks like we're coming for these lows. Right? Is it just me or? That's funny. Hard to read this in my opinion. This was hard to read in my opinion. Are large based on high time repeated rates? Yes. So my actual model, it used to be up here, it's taken away. Drawn liquidity and narrative. Once those two are in line, right? I look at a higher time frame PD rate to be reached at a time supporting interval, right? So for example, let's say we have 9:30 and then we manipulate higher into a higher time frame PD rate. That's my time interval, right? 9:30, right? Or for example, 9:50 to 10:10, we have a macro delivery in a higher time frame PD rate I'm expecting to reject. That's how I use it. Say it's 10 a.m. Open low high close. We have an open low manipulation to thing, right? Say we get like a power of 3, or we get a second stage distribution, right? I learned price action, no trade today. You got to be happy with that. Do you know anyone who teaches ICT concepts in gold? They work in gold. ICT concepts work. There's no. You don't need to. Some of my videos I do examples in gold. I don't know which ones. I think I did 2 examples in gold. I'll just switch between Euro USD, Nasdaq, ES, gold, just to show that it works in all of them. So I do examples in all of them just to show that they work in all of them. We took out the full sell side, almost the low of day now. Like, we tell me like, yo, this is the daily. This is how the daily candle formed, guys. Like, talk about delayed protraction, right? Open all the way high, and now we just put in a low. I guess. Gonna be consolidated. Those equal highs are too clean. Yeah, you have to be really good with the 1 minute. Could this be the low? I mean, it's possible. I wouldn't try to chase it though. Like, it doesn't look like we're gonna come up for these highs. We'd probably go back up into like equilibrium or something. Just 15-minute fair value gap. I mean, today, like, look at this. We're literally trading at the equilibrium of the daily range now. There's really no way I can tell you which way it's going. Look at this candle, bro. I can't read this for you guys. I can't read this. I don't know what the fuck's going on. This is hard. This is very difficult price action. I wouldn't even try. We keep taking out lows. I can't tell you when it's gonna bottom. You can look for an SMT. Maybe it'll bottom from there. There's an SMT here. Possible. We got an inversion. This could be a change of state of delivery. Start doing some buy side delivery. This is your 15-minute fair value gap, so we could go into there. Let me mark this up. So this is Asia lows. Right. This is 10 a.m. I mean, the 10 a.m. open high low close, you can see it really clearly, right? It's really nice. 10 a.m. open low high close. 10:03 was the high, right? And then when do we come down here? 11 o'clock. And let's just say 11:32 took out Asia low. I mean, we took out, what did we take out at 11? London lows. I would just mark that, honestly. London lows 11 a.m. was taken, and then we're still expanding lower. So, see, I'm going to put this in my journal as well. As the end of day chart, because I want to study and be able to go back and say, oh, I was expecting this to be the opposite. So the standard deviation video, I might shoot it today. I will try my best to shoot it today. What are the accounts looking like? Okay, so that's our journal. I do have to journal yesterday's. I completed a journal yesterday's. I'm gonna forget. No, I'm not gonna forget, but I'm gonna be lazy. Saw a huge move in PM. This is yesterday, right? Oh yeah, this is where I felt 3 ticks short of my TP. That was upsetting. Really upsetting. I think we kept going lower after this, right? Oh, we just consolidated for a while. We saw him move lower, right? We took out the New York session high. Oh, we didn't take out the New York session high, but we took out this 50-minute buy side. From there, did we go lower? Yeah. How do I journal this? 1050. Let's have this. Damn, someone caught these shorts yesterday. That's really clean. And we bottomed at 315. What are the odds? 312. Yeah, I can journal this. So literally the same price action from yesterday. Literally the same price action. Okay, we're all journaled up. All right, let's see what's happening with price action. Did we ever go up? If anyone has questions, now would be a great time because probably gonna go eat some breakfast. Do 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 do. Wait, what? I'm an idiot. Okay, trade war. Oh, you're good, bro. Well, did you get your question answered? Did I get to answer your question, brother? Can you please repeat it? Yeah, I got you. The number one thing is you don't want to be focusing on making money because when you focus on making money, you're going to be chasing it and you're never going to get close. You need to focus strictly on improving your trading every single trade, every single day. You're reading price and you're learning. That's how you're going to improve. The second you get, for example, upset that you lost money, forget about the money. It's not about the money. You don't have the skills to make enough money yet. You need to learn how to improve so you do. So you shouldn't be mad when you lose. You shouldn't be happy when you win. Forget that. Forget all that stuff. You need to focus on improving your model, improving your trading, trade management, your risk, all those stuff that's going to make you make money. That's what you need to be improving on. So your focus should be improving. The only time you should be happy is if you follow your rules. That's the only time. You should be happy when you follow your rules. That's it. That is it, my brother. You followed your rules, you're happy. That's it. Forget about the money, forget about passing the account, forget about getting a payout. Focus on improving. That means journaling every day. That means looking at price action, right? Anticipating what's going to happen, understand why you're wrong, understand why you're right. That's what you got to do. They're pretty choppy right now. But literally exact same price. Look at guys, look at this. This is today. Ooh, ooh. Look at this. This is yesterday. Ooh. Literally the same thing, just like a mini version. Exact replica of yesterday. Oh, guys, we forgot to. No wonder we lost. Forgot to do the triangle pattern. Oh, this is cool. What is this, bro? Someone just made this shit up. This didn't do anything. What is this, bro? This is gonna predict price? Wee. There's so many drawings here. Like what? What is triangle pattern? Three drives pattern? Elliot Wade. How does that help you? I don't get it. Oh, whatever. I don't know this shit. Yeah, so pitching is expanded. Age in London, New York reversal. Happened both times. Let's put that in the notes. That's the last thing I'll put in the notes. Asia slash London expansion. Here. Nice. Well, I think that's it for me today, guys. I'm gonna post my journal in the Discord so everyone can see. Minus 70 on the day. Very good risk management. Very good risk management by me. Wrote the payout. Everyone. Today is day 17. We're done the month. Wait, did I never? Oh, this is supposed to be 29. Minus 70 for 2 trades is good. That's trade 1. Trade 2. You getting ads? Oh, that's good. Or, I'm sorry if it annoys you. I've gone to only ICT for your point. What would you suggest me the next step? Watch. Are you going to be trading Forex or futures? You look good, mate. I mean, shit, thanks, bro. Forex. Okay. Well, I would probably just watch the 2022 mentorship at that point. It's probably all you need. You gotta watch it all though. And don't be lazy. Gotta watch it all. First trade I took today. Hey yo, anything weird? Ah shit, I don't know, man. I didn't even know. Appreciate you, brother. What the fuck is this, bro? This guy's funny. Discord's popping. Huh? How many markers do I have? I have 2. But one of them is just for streaming, right? You only really need 1. Or like a big iPad or something. I have 2 because one of them is for streaming, so I can read chat. The other one is for trading. Weirdly enough, the market's up, even though Nasdaq is. I mean, we're still up trading up on the Nasdaq. You know, one thing I never understood: why is midnight opening true day open? Like, why are they? Why would that's not something they can hide? Like, isn't it just 18 o'clock? Like the opening gap at midnight open at opening price. That's why new day opening gap is so important because it's literally the opening price. Wait, no, it's not. I'm tripping. Wait, no, I'm not. Hold up. Let's find out where end dog is. No. Oh yeah, I was right. It was here. Okay. So closed. This is like the daily candle opening price. Like in this chart. Well, if anyone has any questions, now's your chance. I'm gonna go eat breakfast right now. That's where we opened today. So you can see we definitely came back to the opening. Trade a little bit below it. Ideally, hard to say what would happen here. Could reverse this. I don't know. I'm not gonna try and predict it. I'm gonna enjoy the rest of my weekend. I'm gonna close the charts. I'm gonna try to shoot that video for you guys on standard deviations today. That being said, it looks like I do a back testing stream. Back testing stream on the weekend. I'll see you guys on Monday or Tuesday. Till next time, my brothers. Peace out, everybody.